How do I set up an eco fee? An eco fee can be used in any situation where you need an extra fee amount charged on an invoice or certain items. To start, we will open the System area and go to System Setup in the Encore menu. We will then, under the General tab, navigate to the Eco Fee button. Click the slider button to enable Charge Eco Fees. Under Description, enter a name for the fee. In this example, we will label it Green Circle Recycling Fee. This will be what it shows on the customer's receipt. Select whether you want the eco fee to be charged once per invoice or once per each item on the invoice. In the event that an invoice has multiple customers on it, the eco fee will be charged for each customer on the invoice regardless of this selection. If you select per invoice, set the fee amount under Charge Amount. This will charge one eco fee on each invoice that has a service on it. If you want taxes charged on the eco fee amount, you can choose to apply your product or service tax percentage, depending on what you are using the eco fee for. If you have selected to charge the eco fee per item, you will be able to set each item's individual eco fee in the services and/or products areas. When an eco fee is set to per item, you may set whether the eco fee will be refunded along with the item. If taxes need to be charged, check off to charge tax on the product eco fee or service eco fee. Click Save once done setting up the eco fee. If you have chosen the option to charge per invoice, the setup is complete. If you chose the option to charge a fee per item, click on the Services area or Products area and choose a service or product. You will see a box to enter the fee amount for each service or product. This amount will need to be set for each service or product that requires an eco fee. We have now finished setting up eco fees. Thanks for watching.